Here is my final report for a while for the flowing hair silver metal. There's not a lot of movement going on. Everything seems to be staying pretty steady. So I'll keep looking at this. However, I'm not going to be doing weekly updates on it. I'll do an update if something drastic happens, but I'll look at it again maybe in a month or so. We'll see. Um, but taking a look at the raw, it's dropped a little bit, not too bad. Um, Still decent profit on that for right now. What I did add was the sealed package. That's pretty strong right now. Well, 438 is the average sales price. And my opinion on this is if you are in just to get a guaranteed flip, you're not a collector. The sealed package, eh, me personally, I wouldn't do it, but I'm a gambler. So I would say that if you just want to get in and get out and make some money, sell it in the sealed package. That's going to be your biggest return. Because the chance of you getting a privy mark is what, 2.4%. So it's pretty slim. So you can either profit your 269 and be happy, or open it and then sell it for $61 profit. Again, it depends on what you're trying to accomplish with this, but I mean, the primary purpose of this spreadsheet is for people that want to resell. So I guess you have to determine if you want to take the gamble or if you just want to make some money quickly up front. MS70s, okay price, average of 341 with a slight increase over before. As you can see, the raw it has gone down some, and the 69 has also gone down some. I fully expect that the 69 and the raw price are going to equalize. That's normally the case in the aftermarket. It's definitely the case when it comes to selling these to a dealer. They're going to give you the same price for a 69 as a raw 99% of the time, depending on the item itself. Let's jump over to the privies. So the privies are doing very well. Price has gone up from over a week ago. The MS70s, there's only one that's listed now. The other ones have just disappeared. There's no history of it. And we also have some signed COAs that are raw. That's a very healthy average price. However, I want to throw something in there. There's one sale, and I'm not sure why, for $15,000. So that is kind of skewing that number higher than what's actually being realized. So I just went back and did a real quick calculation. And if you take that $15,000 sale out, drops it by $1,000. Still a very healthy price, $83.68. That's a pretty good profit that you'll realize with the signed COA. In fact, that requires. So again, I want to thank everybody that tunes into these updates. This will be the last one for a while. I'll keep an eye on it, especially with the grading. We'll see what happens with the 70. I know based on the last population report, the 70 rate has actually gone up. It went from a low of around 30-some%, and it's up to around 48% now. And that's based on the grading again for what you and I can submit. It's not the advanced release. It doesn't have the signatures. It's just the plain first strike, early release, first release, plain labels from the grading companies. Again, the only data I have for this is from PCGS. NGC has not updated their population report yet, but I'll keep an eye on it. If this continues to grade poorly, that could have an effect on that price there. So I'll monitor, and if something jumps up or gets kind of goofy, I will make another video. 73.